Okay, not done one of these in a little while. I'm going to try and pick a lock from the packet and maybe make a fool of myself. We have here Yale High Protection number 6 on their scale. From what I can see from the key, it's a 5-pin key. A lot of different language text on the back. You see it's from Acerable, which now owns Yale. Okay, we're going to cut it out of the packet. You can see it's sealed all the way around and hasn't been opened anywhere. And hopefully we'll manage to pick it within a reasonable time on the camera. Okay. It's like a plastic housing, good for hard wearing outside, I suppose. I guess I'm going to try and, I don't want to damage it, but we'll just pinch it in the vise a little bit, like that. Get the key out. I don't really want to look at the key so much, I've seen it in the pack. We'll just make sure that's working properly. And find a good wrench. So, yeah, that might be okay. Okay, we'll try that. Let's see. I'm just going to go in with a medium hook. Spring pressure on the core from the shackle, so we've got that to deal with. Pin 1 binds. Oh, that was weird. I think I got him set. Felt a bit weird. Click on pin 2. Not sure if that was a click on pin 3. Might have been an overset. I'm going to relax a bit. There we go. Okay. Pin 1, pin 2. It's hard to see if it's bound or if it's set. Okay. Keep oversetting pin 3. Okay, I think we got a false set there. We turned a bit, so now it's a game of balancing the sprung-loaded core in a place where we can feel if we get counter rotation or not. Or if it's just the spring pressure pressing back and making us feel like we're getting counter rotation. I think I might try and switch over to a deeper hook and get a bit more of a positive reaction with that. Okay, I think it's this guy. And it was someone at the back there. Okay, so there she is open. And you see it's got a pretty good spring on that. So that wasn't so bad. You can see it's a brass body in there. Shielded shackle. Yeah, nice little lock. Boron carbide shackle. And for those that would like to see, not a very wild key to be honest, but not bad. As you could see, we had spools in there to deal with. Nice little lock for your shed or something outside, that is. It's really nice. Cool. Thanks for watching.